On the 10-minute time frame, we have a initial discovery of a fractal. Again, you look at the time frames and you look for a fractal. The fractals can be found in our library. Now here we have a slider top developing. It's not completed yet. It's not confirmed. So all during the day, you're looking for these particular fractals. Okay. This one is kind of hesitating here, but a good confirmation would be if it would break here at 43.59. It hasn't happened yet, but it's a possibility. So all during the day, we're scanning for fractals for new discovery. So in the meantime, just mark the fractal here. Okay, both legs are equal. And if we break the bottom here, okay, that would be a good entry point to go for the trade down. Again, we're on a 10-minute time frame. A lot could happen in that period of time. We have the open, which is kind of tough. And if you want to get a better picture, what you have to do is scale the fractal. All right. And that's what we're doing now. Okay, do you see it? And there's your slide. There's your band. There's your band. The perimeter of the entire fractal here. So what I do, I'm assuming that if we break down here, okay, we've got to break that band. Now, when we break the band, that's a good confirmation. Right. Now, if we go above, right, what's going to happen? We're going to have a swing up. Right. So you could have that as a setup right now. Again, you can't do anything until you get a good confirmation. Now, what you could do, you could put a stop loss here. Buy stop times 2 takes you out at short, puts you long, or you can just enter here at 63, stop hard, and then you do the trade down. Okay, currently that's all we have at the moment. So every minute, every half hour, every hour, in any market, on any time frame, you'll see the fractals appear. That looks pretty nice. Okay, one leg here, one leg here. We have a slide up. The top here, the top bottom here. Now you can define the risk too. All right. So if you short it here, and if the market goes up, right, you've got protection. All right. So these little fractals here, that Neil on his channel is pointing out on 1 minute, 2 minute time frames. Okay, those little fractals will appear, for example, on a 1 minute time frame. It will appear on a 5 minute time frame, 10 minute time frame, 30 minute time frame, 2 hours, 3 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Okay, everything begins on these small time frames. Everything in nature begins on the molecular level, the very small time space. Okay, and you use the smaller time frames to help you direct the longer time frames. Now, if you swing trading, I that's a tough ball game. I would rather get the top ticks and bottom ticks, and you do maybe 2, 3 trades during the day. It's a lot simpler than doing a swing trade. Saying that, well, you can go from A to B, B to C. No, that's a tough gig. So I would prefer look at a picture and then you can do a trade, and you have your um, risk defined, and you have protection. Now look at what's happening here. I mean, that's a perfect slider. Look at that. Now we're doing this in real time, folks. Okay, I don't make this stuff up. I've been doing this for 20 years, and for me, the only thing that works, we're mapping the market turns here, and we're not making the market fit a map. All right, let me repeat that. We're mapping the market. The market is moving constantly. There's no clear um, system that's going to make you rich. Okay, it's not going to happen. You have to look at the smaller time frames, and then you have a direction in the market. Now, the 10-minute time frame, okay, will guide you for the other time frames. Now, if the 10-minute time frame breaks here, that will confirm the 20-minute time frame over here, and that will continue to go down. Okay, so the time frames work together. So right now we have a 10-minute time frame aligning with the 20-minute time frame. Okay, 10 minute, 20 minute. All right. Now if we stop here, we may bounce up. Okay. Let's see the price here. Okay. Again, it's not. Yeah, it could bounce up here, kind of go down here, but the standing line is right here at 45.59. If that breaks, the other time frames will follow. Do we have anything else going on right now? No. But if you held that trade we did the other day, uh, really, I mean, again, you break the band, it goes down, and same thing's going to happen here. Maybe we don't know. If we break the band here, we're going to go down, and the 10-minute time frame will confirm the 20-minute time frame we did last night. Okay, uh, look at that. Now, at times you may have a overthrow on the bottom of the band here. Okay, so you have to allow a little room for spikes, especially on the open, and then you use a stop bracket to control that stop. Okay, but right now it looks pretty good here for a trade. Again, when I began, you could did a trade up here going down. Okay, 63 to 57. Okay, you picked up oh, look at that now. I mean, really. I mean, trading the market isn't all that difficult. Now, I do teach the elements of fractal trading in our fractal course. So if you're interested, I can show you exactly how to do this. I can show you how to get a top tick and a bottom tick. It's not that difficult, but you need to know the fractals from our library. We've accumulated the fractals from previous turns throughout history. Okay, and the same fractals appear all the time. Now look at that. If you're a scalper, okay, you're scalping at 59, you got 3 points. You can do uh, the trade like this all day long. All you have to do is wait for that particular picture. That's all you have to do. Look at that. Now, we're doing this in real time, okay? So again, if you really want to know how to trade the fractals, send a DM to me on the course, and it's a year long, and it's online, one-on-one, as we're doing here, and we guide you through actual real-time trades on a chart. But look at that, isn't that beautiful? I mean, really. And again, you can trade every hour. I mean, it's not uncommon for me, to do 8, 10 trades. Granted, that's a lot of commissions, but you can talk to your broker to lower your commission rate. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, really, it's going down and down. Now, how far will the market go down? We don't know until we have another fractal discovery. Okay. At the moment, we have a clear picture here. Okay. But the clouds are going to change. Okay. The sun might come up and the market goes back up. Okay. So what we have here is a decaying fractal. When you find a particular fractal here, it's going to fall generally. Okay. If it doesn't fall, it becomes a reversal up. So you have a definite idea of the market going up or going down, and you have your defense accordingly. But look at that. It's going down. How far? We don't know until another fractal appears. So it's going down, looking at the other time frames. Um, Again, we have to keep our eye on the 4-hour time frame. We may have something there, and we may have something on the 30-minute time frame. We may have something there, but in the meantime, this is a clear cycle. So if you grabbed, if you grab 4 points here, you could do that every hour. Four times 8 is 30, right? Yeah, 4 times 8 is 30. You can get 30 points a day if you know what you're doing. And you need education in order to do that. Okay, simply by looking at the charts here, what I'm doing, you may not understand everything, and that's the reason for the course. So all you have to do is register for a year-long course, and at the end of the year, you'll be able to gain confidence in order to do this on a hourly basis, daily, on any market. Any market. Again, I repeat, any market, stocks, FX, gold, whatever. Okay, we'll watch how far we can go down here. Currently, we're short here from last night at 76. We got about 10 points. Okay, and if you have a stop, you lower it. Okay, we'll find out how far this goes. Hank Wernicke, signing off.